You think you know a lot about hair? Well, think again, my friend. Hi everyone, my name is Sarah and you're welcome to my channel, and today I'll be telling you 5 fun interesting facts about hair that will probably blow your minds. Let's get right into it. Do you know hair tends to grow faster in warm climates? Oh yes, it does. Heat stimulates circulation in the body, which includes the scalp, and thereby encourages hair growth. Though in this case, genetics and diet also play a role in our hair growth. Obviously. 2. Cutting your hair does not influence how fast it grows. Funny, right? This is an unfortunate fact. Of course, many of us have been told the opposite and have attempted to cut it too often, yet no visible evidence. However, it is important to remember that split ends stop our hair from growing, which means that there is no other option for us than to just cut it off. 3. Black is the most common hair color. Yeah, right. Dark hair colors are the most common, with black being the most common. 1% of the world's population has natural red hair, and the second most rare hair color is blonde. Do embrace your natural hair no matter the color. 4. The anticipation of sex makes hair grow faster. Sexual arousal boosts blood flow to all important places. And yes, that includes your scalp. Increasing blood flow stimulates your hair follicles. Your hair follicles rely on your blood to deliver both oxygen and nutrients that assist with the health of the hair. Now the last but not the least, hair becomes drier with age. Hair will slowly become drier, coarser, and even thinner over the years. The truth is that as we grow older, the oil that our scalp relies on for nourishment decreases, resulting in more drier and frizzier hair. Along with the change in oil production, our body stops creating melanocytes, the substance that colors our hair. So if you watched this video to this point, I want to believe you had fun as much as I did. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, and click on the notification bell so you get notified. Thank you for watching.